Hi guys, Kevin here and welcome to a new video. So I'm going to cover something today that will be on my Rumble channel again. Sorry about that, YouTube people. But if you go over to Rumble, I got a complete and uncensored video that'll show you football apps, so 4 of them. So if you're into footy, football, European style, this is definitely going to be a video that you want to see. I get this asked a lot, this question, what's the best app for football? And these are the 4 that I think are the best ones to use and the 4 that just show the most games. So check it out. I know there's been a real messy situation with Messi in Barcelona. Unfortunate for one of the greats in football. Messi shouldn't have to go through that. In the flip side, it'll be exciting for him to see a different team, different surroundings. We'll see how PSG does with him. They got a pretty decent team as it is, so we'll see. With the addition of Messi, anything's possible. Looking forward to that game this weekend. So otherwise, check out my Rumble video. Links down below in the description of this video. More tech reviews coming on YouTube, so stay tuned for that. There'll be some more videos that'll be longer than a minute, I guarantee. But otherwise, check out my Rumble. Thanks for supporting me. Thanks for you guys who have subscribed there and also here. Really appreciate the support. And thanks again, and stay tuned for more videos. We'll see you guys soon. Take care.